My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my tube. I've been doing this work for 51 years. I worked at IRS for 10. Yes, I was the IRS, so the things I tell you should be very important to you. I've been in private practice, in fact, for 41 years, and I've been on all the major news stations. You can see my interviews at 777irs.com. I've been on Fox, ABC, The Briefing Room, Newsmax, News Nation stations like that. And I work the offer and compromise program. Just want to let you know that's what I have done for my last 51 years, actually. Anyway, in working the offer and compromise program, I want to go ahead and tell you how you can navigate your way through that to make it really simple. If you owe IRS tax debt, 99.9% of all people file an offer and compromise doubt as to collectability. That means you in fact don't have the ability to pay the tax. So what's basically necessary? IRS wants a 433A OIC. Download the form 433A OIC. That's the form that's going to go into IRS. Take a look at it. It's a long form, but everyone needs to file it who wants to settle their IRS tax. That once that form goes in, it will eventually be assigned to somebody to go ahead and work it. But before you go ahead and send it in, let me navigate your way through what you need to know so you know what IRS is doing when they get that form. I used to accept offers. I used to accept and deny offers. Yes, this one's good. No, this one isn't. So I know the program really well. That's why many people use us. Very simply, IRS is looking at two things. They are looking at your assets. They want to know what the value is. Let's say your asset value is $50,000. You can't settle your debt at less than $50,000. You must give them the total of your asset value. Now your homestead is discounted 20%. But if you have 50,000 in assets, don't send your offer in. If don't send your offer in if you got more than $50,000, you got to offer well over your asset value. Then after that, IRS is going to look at your income and your expenses. Very critical. The big aha moment is people do not understand that IRS has what's called a national standard program. Google IRS National Standard Program. You will find that IRS only allows their expenses in the four major categories. What are they? IRS will put their expenses in for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments and car expenses, and yours go out. So IRS finds out that Sammy, the wonder dog, someone actually threw Sammy off the interstate. We wound up getting Sammy. Anyway, at the end of the day, IRS is going to look at that financial and see if you have any money left over. Let's say you have $500 left over. They're going to multiply that 500 by the life of your statute. That knocks a lot of people out. But anyway, if you want to go through this offer and compromise program, I just want you to be aware those are the two main things IRS is really taking a look at. So if you pass those two tests, you're going to be one of the 13,000 people that are going to get your offer accepted. Anyway, I've been doing this for 51 years. I have a bunch of former IRS agents on my team that are crackerjack. If you want to call me, I answer my own phone. Thank you. Give me a subscription. I appreciate your time and your ear today. Thank you.